Hello and welcome to this video on Arithmetic Series. So this is a word problem application, and our goal is to identify what is given and what do we need to find. So this girl Sarah is training to run a marathon. So she runs 5 kilometers each day for 5 days, and then the next week what happens, she increases the distance by 2 kilometers. But she runs 5 days every week and then continues increasing at the same rate every following week. So the next week she would run for 9 kilometers for 5 days and so on. So she does this for 10 weeks, and we have to find the total distance that she runs over the period of 10 weeks. Okay, so week number 1, 5 times 5 kilometers. I hope that makes sense. The next week, 2 more kilometers per day. So this is why you have 5 times 7. So the total distance for that week is 35. And now we see the pattern. Next week will be 5 times 9, 45, and so on. So you can do this manually by going over the week 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Add this together and you get the answer. Yes, you can do that. But what if the question was for 52 weeks? So look how much time would you have to spend to do this manually. So this is why we would have to find a strategy which shortens our calculation time. So we will use the series formula, which is for finding the total sum of all terms involved in the arithmetic sequence. So the 10th, or the general formula for any arithmetic sequence is a plus n minus 1d. So this is from the previous video. So this is why you can recall that as follows. So since the common difference between weeks is 10 kilometers, so the 10th term value is 115. So now in the formula for the series, we need to find the value of the first term, which is 25, the value of the 10th term, which is 115, and replace into the formula. So this is why you have 10 divided by 2 gives you 5 right here on this side of the screen, because you continue the calculation, and in brackets you have 25 plus 115, so 140 is the total, times 5, 700. So she ran 700 kilometers in total over the period of 10 weeks. I hope this video will help you to understand how to solve a word problem where arithmetic series are involved. So for us to solve it properly, please, 2 things to keep in mind. The general term formula for an arithmetic sequence, and the formula for the total sum for the series is important for you to know. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time in the next video on Geometric Series.